Assalamualaikum students, and today's our topic is characteristic of a computer. It's our second chapter on page number 12. In this topic, we are going to discuss speed of computer, high storage, versatility, accuracy, and diligence. So, let's first understand what computers are. Computer literally means to calculate. In fact, if we want to give a formal definition of a computer is an electronic device that receives input, stores or processes the input as per user instructions and provide output. Well, move to our topic, characteristic of a computer. The first one is speed. Speed of a computer. Students, a computer works at a very high speed. You can perform basic calculation like addition, subtraction, etc. very fast in a very short period of time. So some important points of speeds are: computer work at a high speed. It can perform basic calculations. Computer can work in short period of time. Well, computer can perform millions of calculations in a few seconds. The next one is accuracy. Accuracy means to do some work without mistake or error. Computers are very accurate. If you type correct data into the computer and give correct instructions, then the result will be accurate. So the main important points of accuracy are: work with the highest accuracy. Accuracy depends upon the design of computer. Human errors are like wrong commands, inaccurate data input, etc. So students, computers are very accurate. Computer performs calculation with high degree of accuracy. Move to next one, diligence. A computer never gets tired or bored. It can work continuously for days and months. So, a computer is free from dullness. Computer can work continuously without any error. And the last one, computer is free from lack of concentration. The next one is versatility. Versatility means to perform many different activities at the same time. Computer can carry out many functions at the same time. So, in versatility, it can perform all kind of jobs, can do diverse nature of works like calculations, graphics work, searching, etc. at the same time. For example, we can listen to songs and at the same time play games on the computer. The next one is power of remembering. Unlike human being, computer can store huge amount of data, does not differentiate important and not important. Loss or deletion of data is done by user. Well, students, computer can store huge amount of information and can recall any piece of this information whenever required. So students, these are all characteristics of a computer. Move to next topic, limitations of computer. Students, computer has some limitations. So the first one is no wisdom or IQ. A computer is a machine that has no intelligence to perform any task. Each instruction has to be given to computer. A computer cannot take any decision on its own. So students, computer is not a thinking machine, not intelligent, never does a task as its own, follow human instructions. Next one is no feelings. Computer has no feelings or emotions. It cannot make judgment based on feeling, taste, experience and knowledge unlike a human being. So computer follow human instructions, never decides at its own will, no taste, no emotions, no knowledge. So that's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, students, please learn the definitions of versatility and diligence, accuracy and speed. Well, students, I have a home task for you. You will solve all these questions on your notebook. You will get answers of these questions from this lecture. So the first one is, what do you mean by accuracy of a computer? The second one is, write any two characteristics of a computer. Third one is, write any two limitation of computer. And the last one is, write any two things that you like to do most on a computer. I am sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully there will be no confusion. So that's all from my side. Allah Hafiz.